Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Motorola. Firstly, you need to access clock by tapping on it and select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. If you see this kind of pop-up, you can choose fixed over here and just increase your alarm volume. To add your alarm, choose this plus icon at the bottom and then set up an hour. Now click on OK and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. Then you can manage vibrations by choosing this little icon next to vibrate. Click on add label, label your alarm however you want to. If you want to, click on OK and add it to your Google Assistant routine by tapping on this little icon over here. Now you need to choose this bell one. And finally, click on one of those sources or choose dismissed and tap on the best melody for you. I will go with that one. After that, just go back. But you can also customize your alarm sound by going into the same settings, but this time selecting Add New, choosing those three lines at the top left corner, selecting one of those sources like Downloads, tapping on the song, and going back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, just select the delete icon at the bottom left corner. In order to adjust more alarm settings, for example, volume of it, you can always click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and adjust all of them under alarms, however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!